Already discussed about pressure, and as you know that external force per unit area is pressure, and today we will discuss how pressure is acting and what is the application of the pressure in our day-to-day life. Pressure, we are living in the surroundings, and or we are living in the atmosphere. We are living in the atmosphere, and atmosphere must be provide the pressure upon us, that is called atmospheric pressure. That means the pressure which is given by the atmosphere is known as the atmospheric pressures. In the normal condition, everything is every object, they are exert the pressure that is based upon the atmospheric pressures. Suppose the balloon is the normal conditions. The balloon which is in the normal condition, listen properly, the balloon is the normal conditions, it is in the atmospheric pressure. Suppose when we apply the pressure to a balloon, the pressure will, that means when normal condition it is in the atmospheric pressure, and when we provide the pressure to a balloon, the pressure will increase. That means atmospheric pressure will increase. That is called the pressure that is above the atmospheric pressure, and it is known as the gauge pressure. That means the pressure which is above the atmospheric pressure is known as the gauge pressure. Suppose the balloon is subject, when the balloon is subjected for the suction, that means the pressure will come out from the balloon. In the normal condition it is atmospheric pressure. When pressure come out from the balloon, that is pressure, the normal pressure of the atmospheric pressure will be decreased, that is below the atmospheric pressure, is known as the vacuum pressures. So above the atmospheric pressure is gauge pressure. The pressure which is above the atmospheric pressure is known as the gauge pressure. The pressure which is below the atmospheric pressure is known as the vacuum pressure. So between gauge pressure and vacuum pressure, the gauge pressure and vacuum pressure, the atmospheric pressure is a datum, or it is a reference. Where we are taking the positive pressure is known as the gauge pressure, which is above the atmospheric pressure, and negative it is known as the vacuum pressure. It is also known as the vacuum pressure, which is also known as the negative gauge pressure or vacuum pressure. So suppose the body which is for the lowest vacuum, the maximum vacuum stage, the stage will come where there is no vacuum, absolute vacuum scale, that is below suppose it is this one, it is known as the absolute zero scale. That means it is the highest vacuum stage of the body.